Hi everyone. So for our last lesson of 7th grade, oh my god, we are talking about angle relationships. Okay, so you have to watch this video in order to do the practice and the lesson for later on this week. This is the last full week, so I'm not assigning any work next week. This is the last full week that I'll assign work. Alright, so we're talking about 3 new angle relationships. We have complementary, supplementary, and vertical. The first pair of angles, so angle relationships are pairs of angles, so two or more. Complementary is 2 angles that add to be 90 degrees. Here's 1, here's 2. Next we have supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are 2 angles that add to be not 90 degrees, but since this is a straight line, 180 degrees. So here's one, and here's the other. And the last is vertical angles. They don't add to be anything. They are just equal to each other, and they are congruent. Not congruent. Well, they are congruent, which means equal, but they're across from each other. See how they are directly across from each other? So there are 2 angles that have the same measure, aka congruent, aka equal, and they are also across from each other. Alright, next we're going to classify each pair of angles as complementary, supplementary, or vertical. So all we're saying is these are comp, these are sup, these are vertical. So for number 1, let's, I think I meant to be talking about angles 1 and 3, sorry, didn't say that in there. But angles 1 and 3 are vertical. Number 2, 60 and 30, those form to be a right angle, so we would call those complementary. Number 3, these lie on a straight line, because this is a straight line here, so we would say these are supplementary. And the last one, again, right angle, we would call these complementary. Also, we can determine if they're vertical, complementary, or supplementary based on the angle measure. So for this, you just have to add them together and see what they equal. So 75 plus 105, that equals 180. So these would be supplementary. 89 plus 1 would be 90. So those would be complementary. 40 plus 40 is 80, so this would be none. Oh wait, not none. Since 40 and 40 are the same measure, these would be vertical. Sorry about that. And then 18 plus 62 gives us 180, so these would be supplementary. This right here. Associate complementary with 90 degrees, supplementary with 180 degrees, and vertical with equal or next to each other. Okay, if you know those 3 things, you are good to go. Alright, so the last part is finding a missing angle measure. This is pretty easy. So based on whether the angles are complementary, supplementary, or vertical, you can find whatever angle measure is missing, usually x. So for number 1, you know that these are complementary, so you know they should be equal to 90. So you could do it one of 2 ways. You could say, okay, well this is x, this is 62. If I add those together, I should get 90. And then solve. Okay, so x is equal to 28 degrees. Or you could just jump to this step right here. You don't have to write an equation. 90 minus 62 gives us 28. Alright, number 2, these are vertical because they're right directly across from each other. So 133 and x, they don't add to be anything, they just are equal. So this is as easy as saying, well, if this is 133, that means the other one must be 133. Alright, number 3, these are supplementary because they lie directly on a straight line. So x plus 118 is equal to 180. And then if I subtract 118, x is equal to 62 degrees. And then number 4, complementary, similar to number 1. You know x plus, that's a plus, 37 should equal 90. And then you subtract. And should be, let's see, 43. 53. I was right the first time. Alright, so 53 degrees. And then numbers 5 and 6 are similar, but you're not given a picture, they're just telling you it's complementary and supplementary. So complement of 50, well, 90 minus 50 is 40. So 90 goes with complementary. And then supplement of 110, 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees. And again, supplement goes with 180. So, in conclusion, what you need to know is of just classifying, so just type vertical, complementary, supplement. Independent practice, you have for 1 and 2. 3 and 4, you are finding the missing angle measure, so you have to say the angle relationship first and then type the missing angle measure, and then number 5, you're matching. Alright, good luck. This is the last video I'll be posting. I'm sure you guys are very excited about that. And hopefully I'll talk to you, but if I don't, have a good summer. Love and miss you all.